want to make a quick video and talk about the importance of patience when it comes to a hair transplant. So it's been almost 6 months since I got my hair transplant, and I recently just completely buzzed my head all at one length so I can have it kind of grow together, since my native hair was so much longer than the transplanted hair that's coming in. But I want to talk about how important it is to be patient when it comes to the process of letting this transplant bring the results it's going to bring you. It's important to remember that everybody is different. Everyone has different levels of growth at different levels of time. They say it takes 4 to 6 months to begin to see results, up to a year to see your full results, sometimes even up to 1.5 years to 2 years to see your results. It's important to realize every individual person is different. The reason why I say this, and also I expected it, is because I'm getting an influx of comments every single time I post right now of TikTok hair experts telling me that my transplant failed, that I'm not gonna get any results. It always happens when it gets around to this time frame. Now, this is because some people have crazy results at 6 months. Some people start seeing results at 3 months. I wasn't really like that. It's been 6 months. Now I feel like I'm starting to see results. A lot of people say, I've gotten comments of people saying that they didn't have any results until like month 8, and then all of a sudden they had their hair started growing like crazy. It's different for everyone. Remember, I am just like you guys. I'm watching this from the perspective of I'm just watching to see how my results come in. But it is not time to panic yet, even closely. My hair was completely bald at one point, and it is looking pretty decent while buzzed. We gotta see how it grows out. I wanna see how it happens. It might be a couple months still before I have great results. Now, if it gets to be like month 9, month 10, and I still can't grow a lot on my head, I'm gonna be worried. But right now, 6 months in, not even yet, there is zero point in worrying and panicking. There's no point. I'm on track. I'm on schedule. Everyone, there's so many people in my comments right now that just act like experts. I hate to break it to you, but you're not. I've gotten these comments before. I got these comments even when I didn't get a hair transplant and I was trying to get some hair back. I was told by many people when I had specific videos go viral that I was never gonna be able to grow anything on my hair, that nothing was gonna come back. And then I got so much hair back just from a routine, and then had to get a transplant to truly finish the job. And remember, I'm going back next year to get a second hair transplant. This first hair transplant is not going to completely fix my problem. I've said that. Now, I hope the front is truly what thickens up, because that's where I got it. I'm going back to get the back done. But at the absolute worst come to worst, if I don't have exactly what I want in the front, I could always throw some more grafts there as well on the second hair transplant. But after 2, I'm done. It's just funny because I've been making videos on this account for a long time, and I can remember when I first started and I was completely bald, everyone was in my comments telling me I wasn't going to get a single hair back and that I'm done. And then when I started to get hair back, I had so many people in my comments telling me that I got a hair transplant and that I was lying to everybody, and that the only reason I'm getting hair back is because I got a hair transplant. Now, I actually got a hair transplant now, and now I'm at the point where it's like, hopefully we start seeing results soon. My results really aren't crazy yet, and they could be better at this point, but we're waiting, and hopefully it comes in. But I do have some decent results right now. We're kind of seeing what's happening, and now I've hit the next point where my comments are filled with people telling me that the transplant failed, it doesn't work, it's all this stuff. Listen, let time do its thing. Be patient. Be patient. That's all I can be too, because I'm watching it just like you, like I said. So anyway, but yeah, it's a 3-year plan to get all my hair back. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're trying. I just ask that you guys relax and be patient. I mean, being in my comments, I get specific people that maybe they've gotten a hair transplant and their experience was a little bit different. So they're telling me how I should react to my experience. Listen, you don't know me. You aren't me. Relax. So like with the buzz right now, doesn't look too bad. It's a little lighter than the size. I'm sure it's not going to grow as quick, and we got to keep trimming it. But I'm hoping it grows in, man. Love you guys so much. And we'll talk soon. Bye.